attention of the House is drawn as regards the people of Goa over the depiction of extensive port limits within village areas in the Coastal Zone Management Plan CZMP 2019 as large stretches of rivers and riverbanks traditionally used by local communities, fishermen and riparian villages now appear to fall within port jurisdiction, creating widespread apprehension that such demarcations could gradually erode the customary rights of Goans over their rivers, restrict traditional access and livelihoods, and open the door for external authorities or commercial interests to exercise greater control over our waterways, and therefore the government may clarify the basis on which these port limits have been shown and the safeguards in place to protect the rights of local communities.
Speaker, sir, the para 6 of the CRZ notification 2019 provides that the coastal states shall revise or update the respective coastal zone management plan framed under CRZ notification 2011. The CRZ notification 2011 at para 8, 3A, 1 provides NDZ shall not be applicable in such areas falling within the notified port limits. Therefore, the National Center for the Sustainable Coastal Management, while preparing the CZMP 2011, sought the details of the port limits to be depicted on the CZMP 2011. The Department of the Environment and Climate Change sought the details of the notified minor port limits for the captain of the port and the major port limits from the Marmagua Port Authority, and same were deposited on the draft CZMP 2011. However, during the public consultation of the CZMP 2011, there was a demand from the public for the removal of the port limit from the CZMP 2011. MAPS and the state government has agreed for the same. CZMP 2019 has been forwarded to the department authorities of the state government, including COP, for there is slightly correction, which is including COP, interdepartmental consultation. However, the same is had to be placed in the public domain for the public consultation. The state government will take the appropriate decision based on the objection and suggestion raised during the public consultation of the CZMP 2019.
Speaker sir, आज गोंयांत आनी गोंयचे गांवांनी एक भंय जाला की आमचो जो आत्मो आहा, आमच्या राज्याचो आत्मो म्हणल्यार आमच्यो नदयो ह्योच आमी शेणटात काय कितें असो एक प्रश्न पडला. स्पीकर सर, फॉर जनरेशन्स द मांडवी, जुवारी, साल and Shapora have been our lifelines. They are just not mere waterways. They are the source of our bread, the guardians of our khazans and the heart of our identity. म्हणून आज स्पीकर सर एक सिस्टमॅटिक इरोजन ऑफ कंट्रोल ह्या उदकाचो जावपाक लागला. सिक्वेन्स कशें जालें, हे पयलीं सुरवात जाली 2016 विथ द नॅशनल वॉटरवेज एक्ट, जे 6 नदयो आमच्यो नॅशनलायज केल्यो. आनीक हो पयलो डॉमिनो असो म्हणूं येता सागरमाला प्रोग्रामाचो. आमकां सांगलें की हें डिव्हलपमेंटा खातीर आशिल्लें, पूण सगळ्या गोंयकारांक आतां खबर आहा की हें डिव्हलपमेंट न्ही, हें कोळशा खातीर आशिल्लें. हें आमी पळयलें असोल्ड्या आनी शेळवण गेल्या म्हयन्याक फेब्रुवारी 2026. Despite fierce local opposition, we saw attempts to operationalize coal handling jetties under the guise of cargo platforms. Speaker sir, काबराल जो सरकाराक सदां सपोर्ट करतालो तो पसून लोकां बरोबर प्रोटेस्टाक दिश्टी पडलो आनी आतां थंय कितें तरी मातसो फटफटता. स्पीकर सर, कुडचड्याचे आनी असोल्ड्याचे लोक पणजे आयले. They weren't protesting a project, they were fighting for the air they breathe and the water they fish in. Speaker sir, एक बेतूल पोर्टाचो गोस्ट आहा. सगळ्यात मोस्ट अलार्मिंग डेव्हलपमेंट म्हणटे अशें आहा is the resurrection of this Betul port project. Speaker sir, November 2025 on Marmugao Port Authority public memory bypass करून budgetary quotations invite केली to revive this proposal. Union Ministry एकदा सांगिल्लें की हो project scrap जालो म्हणून. Yet the new brief specifically orders a study for rail and road connectivity from Betul to the national highway. हे कित्या खातीर? रेल आणि रोड कनेक्टिविटी फ्रॉम बेतूल टू नॅशनल हायवे कित्या खातीर नुस्तें व्हरपाक यू डोंट नीड अ रेल्वे लायन फॉर द बल्क मुवमेंट ऑफ बेसिकली हे कोल आणि बॉक्साइट. स्पीकर सर, हो project poses an existential threat to the river-Sahel ecosystem and the pristine tourism belt of Kavelosi and Mobor. Speaker sir, mapping conspiracy in दुसरी आयली CZMP and port limits. आम्ही जर CZMP 2019 पळयलो जाल्यार बॅकडोर एंट्री स्ट्रॅटेजी ही सारकी हाजेर कसलोच डाऊट ना. कारमोणा विलेज जय आमचो मानादीक आमदार वेन्झी वेगस रावता, or the village has been shown within the port limits. Speaker sir, the limits are now extending up to the village health center. म्हळ्यार फाल्यां वेन्झी पासून घर रिपेर करतलो जाल्यार तारीख मर्मुगांव पोर्ट ऑथॉरिटी फुडें वचचें पडटलें. ही परिस्थिती ताजी आहा अशें हांवें आयकलां. तो उलयतकर तो सांगतलो तुमकां. स्पीकर सर, सरकार कितें म्हणटा ताका मॅपिंग एरर म्हणून. हांव म्हणटा ताका jurisdictional land grab or basically land grab. You are placing villages inside port limits. In other words, you are stripping the local panchayats of their authorities. आणि MPA no development zone मुखेलमंत्र्यान आतां रिप्लायान सांगला की तांकां एनडीझॅड लागना आणि इंडस्ट्रियल इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर बांदपाक तांकां परमिशन मेळटा. म्हणल्यार रेजिडेन्शियल आणि इको सेन्सिटिव्ह एरियांनी हे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर तांकां बांदपाक आमी परमिशन दिता हे करून. स्पीकर सर, आता एक इल्युजन रिक्लेम कंट्रोल ओवर रिवर्स. सरकारान सांगला कितें की एक MOU जाला इनलँड वॉटरवेज ऑथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया बरोबर आणि हो MOU चे खातीर वी विल बी एबल टू रिक्लेम कंट्रोल ओवर अवर रिवर्स म्हणून. स्पीकर सर, दिस इज अ लिगल फॅलसी. MOU म्हणतो एक टेम्पररी मॅनेजमेंट एग्रीमेंट. लॉ कायदो हातून बदलूंक शकना. As long as the names of the Goan rivers remain in the schedule of the National Waterways Act, the central government holds the ultimate title. We have not reclaimed control of our rivers back. We have merely been hired to manage them for someone else's profit. आता local benefit ही आजी मीथ पळय कशी आम्ही एक्सपोज करतात. स्पीकर सर, सगळे म्हणतात की हो आणि सरकार चढ करून सांगता की सागरमाला म्हणतो इज इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ गोवन्स आणि इट विल बूस्ट टुरिझम थ्रू क्रूज टर्मिनल्स अँड पॅसेंजर जेटीज. पुढे एक फॅक्च्युअल एनालिसिस केली जाल्यार हाजे कंप्लीट दुसऱ्याच दिसता. स्पीकर सर, 24,000 कोटी रुपयाचे प्रोजेक्ट्स एडवान्स केल्ले आहात. हातून लायन शेअर म्हणटा तो बल्क कार्गो बर्ड्स हातून वता, म्हणल्यार बेसिकली कोल अँड आयर्न ओर आणि पोर्ट कनेक्टिविटी. पोर्ट कनेक्टिविटी म्हणजे कितें हायवे अँड रेल्वे एक्सपान्शन. These do not serve the local Goan commuter. They serve mainly only as a logistics for multinational conglomerates. Speaker sir, community initiative म्हणून जे आहा, coastal community development pillar म्हणून आहा of Sagarmala. This promises skill development for locals. हे फक्त पेपराचेर आहा आणि कांयच हातून जावंक ना. There is not a single large-scale operational project under Sagarmala that has significantly increased the income of the Goan traditional fishing community or the local youth. Speaker sir, आमच्यो नद्यो ज्यो आमच्यो आसूंक जाय, they are being deleted because of the National Waterways Act. We cannot protect our khazan lands, our shell fishing communities, our tourism industries with only MOUs and verbal promises. ताजे खातीर हांव स्पीकर सर मागता that the House takes a decisive stand. One, we should pass a formal resolution demanding the central government to remove the Goa's 6 rivers from the National Waterways Act 2016. Number one. Number two, order an immediate freeze on all jetty and port-related projects at Betul, Osolda and Shalwan until this removal is finalized. Number three, direct the GCZMA to immediately rectify the CZMP maps to remove village settlements and khazan lands from designated port limits. Let us not be the generation that sat in silence while our rivers were turned into cold corridors. Let us act now to restore the rights of Goans over the waters that define us. Speaker sir, thank you very much.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.